Okay, what we want to be able to do is just graph a nice trig function, knowing what the graph of sine looks like, just by shifting it up and vertically stretching. Tomorrow we'll get some horizontal changes, which are more complicated, but the technique is actually very much the same. Now the idea goes like this, right? When we see this thing right here, we know that's the middle line. So let me just put middle line. And we know this is the amplitude, but that's just the distance between the middle line and the top. Amplitude, here we go. So if I'm going to draw something, we haven't done any horizontal shifts yet, so I know I'm only supposed to go from 0 to 2 pi. I know I'm supposed to go up to 37 and down to something, so I guess I'm going to try to make it like sort of like this. I know that the right-hand side is going to be at 2 pi. So I know that the right-hand side of the frame is going to look like that. I know the left-hand side of the frame is going to look like that. I know that the middle line is going to be at 15, which I guess I'm going to put it right about here. Now, that's not technically part of the graph, so I'm just going to draw the middle line that looks like that. Now, the amplitude is the distance between the middle and the top, right? So let me put over here, I'm going to put 22. On the very top, I'm going to put 37 because that's actually where it hits. And I'm trying to draw the frame, so there's the top part of the frame. Here's the right-hand side. Here's the left-hand side. I still need to figure out the bottom, but the 22 is also the distance between the middle line and the bottom. So the bottom is going to be down at -7, which is going to be about here, I'm thinking. And I go like this. And I draw the frame. Now what am I supposed to draw in the frame? Well, just a graph of one sine. So I'm just going to go up and down and then down and then up. And that's all you have to do when you graph by framing. You get that frame in the right spot and then you draw whatever that graph tells you to draw.